This video is sponsored by Physgun Hosting. If you're looking for the perfect place to kickstart your development journey, look no further than Physgun Hosting. They offer a comprehensive range of services that are designed to meet your development needs. Even if you're not a professional scripter or Gmod developer, they have over $500 worth of free add-ons available at the click of a button. Physgun Hosting provides three default packages. These packages include Starter, Growing Community, and Turbo. These packages offer a variety of features and resources to suit your requirements. However, if you have specified needs, don't worry. Physgun Hosting also offers a custom option allowing you to tailor your package and add exactly what you need. One of the great things about Physgun Hosting is their vibrant and supportive community. They have a dedicated Discord server where developers and enthusiasts come together to share their knowledge and help each other out. And it doesn't stop there. Physgun Hosting also caters to other popular game hosting options, such as Rust and Minecraft. Additionally, they provide web hosting and dedicated server hosting services, giving you a comprehensive platform for all your hosting needs. You can even host your own Discord bot. And here's the best part. As a special thanks to you, my viewers, Physgun Hosting has provided a discount code exclusively for you. When you make a purchase, use code SENTU2023 to get a whopping 35% off your order. I'm truly grateful to Physgun Hosting for their support in making this video possible. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting development journey, I highly recommend checking out Physgun Hosting. The link is in the description below along with my discount code for you to take advantage of. Now let's get back to the video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a new panel. This is going to be called Physgun Hosting. So we're going to be setting up a server with this hoster. If you want to be able to get this hoster, I will leave a link in the description if you want to actually get it. Again, there would be no actual scripting in here. There's another YouTube video you could go to for scripting. But here I'm going to be showing you basically more server things. So what we're looking at right here, basically I'm going to go ahead and show you around. So we have our system where we're going to have our console, server details, SFTP details, and audit logs. Basically console, it allows you to see everything that's happening in the game. Basically right here, you could see right here, client sent to connected. This is me, right? Up here, we have our CPU percentage, we have our disk space, and we have our memory. Well, not our space, but how much we're using, right? And right here, we have our players. I'm actually connected to the server right now. So here I am. Yes, super cool. And then we have our audit logs. So I really like the audit logs, especially if you have sub users. You could actually see what they do. You could actually see I updated the server details about 4 hours ago. As you can see, as my that's crazy. As my device information, this isn't exactly this. I have a VPN, so don't try to track me. It won't work. Yeah, good try. But yeah, audit logs basically shows you what's happening, who's doing things, and all that. If you have Discord and if you're Discord management or any of that, then you should know what audit log is. Then we have a file manager where we actually see our files. We have every file in here. We haven't set up anything, so we don't have anything in our add-ons. And yeah, then we have our database. I'm not 100% sure what the database is used for. I never use it. You can probably go find it somewhere else. We have our backups, basically make server backups, copies, everything and all that. Basically it copies files, and if you want to restore it, if something bad happens, you can restore it to a certain time. Sub user is for people who want to work on the server with you, right? So you could allow them to have access to the server, but when you actually do it and have their email, you could set up their permission, so what they can and can't do. Next one is the locations. This is good for, I forgot what this is used for. I'm pretty sure it's used for having a different way to connect to the server, but I'm not for sure. Controls the IP ports available for on the server. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Alright, next one is schedules. This is good for, like, say, wanting a certain time to restart. So we could just, like, call this restart, right? and we could set it for how long until it restarts. Right now it's every 30 minutes. I believe this changes. Yeah, it tells you. This is nice. I really like this about the panel. No, I don't see this in any other panel that I've been using. It tells you when it's using it and when the next time it's running and at what time. Yeah, that's really nice. So can I just do like, let's see, Monday. How can I run this Monday? I'm not sure. I think how if they could add like a way to see what you could type in to see what. Uh, it's hard to explain, but basically a shortcut kind of thing where you could. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. I'm just not gonna speak right about that. Hard to explain it. We have our server options again, where we put our workshop ID, max players, and all that. I haven't seen this one though. Physgun utils. Oh, this goes with Physgun. We have our game mode right now. It's set to sandbox. We have our Steam token and all that, and we have Lua refresh. I'm keeping Lua refresh on. I don't even think I. Oh, yeah. Okay. Lua refresh is good for development because when you save it, it automatically refreshes. I'm gonna fix this tick rate to 32. Let's see. We have our server actions. Let's see. Toggle support OP access. No, I'm not sure. Health monitor. Let's see. Oh, it actually has something. This will allow support OP the panel access the server until it's disabled again. Let's see. Monitors your server and automatically restarts it if it detects unresponse for 15 seconds. And then there's of course the reinstall server, which basically reinstalls everything. Alright, let's see. Redirect manager, no. Let's see, mod manager. So what's good about this host is it gives you a bunch of add-ons. I believe it's over $500 worth of add-ons in here. So let's see what we're going to want to add. Obviously, we're going to want advanced duplicator and a dark RP modification. I had some of y'all asking me how to get dark RP modifications or where to find it. You could just look up dark RP modifications over here, and then there should be a GitHub saying how to do that. You just download it and extract it into the file. If you don't have if FileZilla, you could just put the zip inside of your add-ons folder and then unarchive it. And that's how you would be able to add it just through here. I believe if you try to do it without the zip file, it would yell at you. Let's see. We have F profiler, improve stacker. Let's go ahead and add improve stacker. Oh, we have a different one. We're not going to use UOX or ulib, but if you wanted, you could install that. See, wire mod. I'm not going to add. And let's see. Here's some brick wall stuff. Let's see. I want to add. Let's say we're going to do this a dark RP, right? So we're going to go to game modes and add dark RP. I'm gonna show you later on in different videos how to make a different game mode if you haven't watched one of my other videos. But yeah, let's see. Since we added dark RP, I'm going to add. Let's see. Essentials. This is basically going to have a HUD and all that. Printers, inventory, and let me install that. Weapon customizer. Let's see. Coin flip, crafting, credit store, stores. Yeah, this is really nice. So this is what I really like about this hoster, is allowing you to put in different add-ons that it already has. It's really nice. It's actually pretty cheap compared to, I'm surprised at how cheap this hoster is compared to having $500 worth of add-ons. I mean, most of y'all won't say the standard pack is like 19 bucks, I believe, and considering as you get access to every single one of these add-ons, even for that pack. So we could just add on all this, let it run. It should be installed. There we go. Let's see, mount CSS. We're gonna go ahead and mount that. This is good because people who actually know what they're doing, it could be a pain to install CSS. Like a big pain. Let's see, what else do we have? Enchanted swept scripts, add 8 sweps to your server to replace the boring default dark RP sweps. Adds keys, battering ram, handcuffs, blah blah blah. So we could add that if we were doing a dark RP. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. And yeah, this is really nice. This is a really nice way to do that. Another thing that this hoster comes with is a backdoor scanner. This is really nice, so we could just scan and then it would scan for a dark backdoor. See, hi. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. We're just gonna ignore that. Next thing we have is a loading screen. You could actually make a loading screen from here. So we're just gonna make this screen real quick. See. Let's go ahead and make this. See, background. Then we have our rules. Let's just add a couple rules. I'm just gonna add some. Be cool. No RDM. No VDM. If you had cars, I'm just gonna add that just there. Like so on, and all that. Next one is a message. Click message, add more message on top. Welcome to Physgun RP, right? Let's call it that. Next one is our staff. You would put the staff by their Steam ID. Honestly, I have a Lua thing, or not Lua thing, a Backband. There's a website called Backband. Backband.com. Go over here, you would put in their Steam URL if you don't know their other thing. So let's see, you go right here, gonna go over here, I would take this, go over here, and paste this here. Oh, that's about right. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at loading screens later on anyway. Next thing, we have our download manager, we have our sync fast DL contents. All that, click the button, sync fast video, enable them. Alright, let's get into the next part. We're gonna go ahead and make sure all the add-ons are downloaded correctly. So we didn't have to take time and install anything from the Gmod store yet. So that's nice. So now we're going to go ahead and restart the server. Let it do its thing. Now it's online, I think. Let's see, we're gonna push join server since we're apparently too lazy. Server's not responding. Okay, maybe it's not fully up. Maybe. There we go. Oh, we do. Oh wait, no. I think it's the. I think this is a basic background, the default background, maybe. Yeah. See, Gmod admin login and creating errors. So let's see. Gas. We do have our first errors. Let's see. Okay. So we do need to find the add-on things for this. So what I mean by that, we need to find the workshop for this. Let's see, is any of the things working? We have our advanced duplicator. We have our improved stacker, and we need to add the rest of our things. Alright, that's fine. So we're going to go ahead and make a workshop real quick. So to do that, I'm going to go back to my Steam page. I'm going to go to workshop, community workshop. I'm going to search up Garry's mod, or whatever game you're trying to do it for. And then I'm going to go to browse and then collections, and then I'm going to create a collection. I'm going to call this collection Physgun. Right, I'm just going to call it Physgun tutorial. Right, then I believe it's required to choose a branding image. So I'm going to put, let's just put the Discord logo. That's fine. Description. This is a tutorial. Right? So what kind of collection? Items that work together. Items the user should choose between. I'm going to choose this one. And then what type of thing? So I'm going to choose maps, weapons, vehicles, NPCs, tools, and all that. So everything I'm going to have in here. I'm probably just going to choose everything. No. Server content, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Build, fun, movie, roleplay. Right? So let's see. Building, nope. Alright. Save and continue. And now we have it. So it's not going to be published yet. We actually need to add something to this, I believe. Let's see. We're going to view some of our old collections. Let's view this one. Right. This is very old. Oof. Oof. You know what? Let's go ahead and go back over here. Community workshop. Go back to Garry's mod. And we need to actually find some of these. We actually find some of these. Mod manager. Darker P, advanced duplicator, we're good. Now we need to find Billy's items, right? So we're going to, I believe it's just Gmod admin suits. Yep. This one's right here. Going to add collection, let's see. Okay, let's bring it up. Tester, Physgun tutorial. Now that's up. Now we're going to go back to our collection. So we're gonna go back over here, go to collections, go find ours Physgun tutorial, and we are going to publish this, because if we put in this ID before we publish it, it's going to break everything. So we're going to go to startup. If I can actually find it. Server options. Yeah, server options. So we're going to go ahead and put this inside of our workshop ID. Let's do that. And now we're going to go ahead and restart the server once again. Alright, while it's loading, I'm going to go back to server options real quick. I want to check something. Yeah, so this might be another reason why it's not working with gas. It might not even be the workshop, but I needed to add that workshop in anyway. Well, I need to make the workshop anyway. So since I added in the darker P, I'm gonna go make sure that the darker P was correctly loaded. So I'm going to go to my Garry's mod and my config, and let's see. No, not config. I'm sorry. Garry's mod and then game modes. So we got game modes and we have a dark P. Everything's in here. Yes. So we're going to go back into. Let's see. We're going to go back into our server options, and then we're going to name it after the file. Our file is called darker P. So let me make sure. Yeah, darker P. Now we're going to restart one more time, just to make sure. Alright, now we could actually see it now. We see in the bottom right, current connecting to server hosted by Physgun.com, powered by Physgun. There we go. So now we have our bottom left. See this, the F4 menu. This isn't set up yet. So what we need to do is now we need to go back in here. File manager, Garry's mod, add-ons. And now we need to go to our dark P modifications, to our Lua, and our config. and disable defaults. So this is where we're going to be able to disable our F4 menu. This is going to be the dark RP F4 menu, so if I disable that, it should fix it. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to have to find the content and add it myself. So I shouldn't be able to access that anymore. Nope. Alright. So I can't access the F4 menu anymore. So, I mean, we could actually see in the server though. We just can't spawn it because I haven't added in Sam yet, so I don't have permissions for it yet. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that right now before we restart. I'm gonna go to our profile, my purchases, and let's see. That's if you're in Garry's mod, if you want to find out how to actually download your stuff. Sam. Here it is. Going to download this. Open this. Boom. Now we have our SAM 148, and then our SUI license, and all the good stuff. Here, Garry's mod add-ons. Just gonna take these three and just throw in here. There we go. Right, now that that's done, I'm gonna make sure all the files transferred over correctly. I could probably just check audit logs. Let's see. Update server details. No. Alright. See. File manager, Garry's mod add-ons. Yeah. Alright, so correctly fully went over. Now I'm gonna go ahead and restart. And now by the time I load back in, I should be able to see all the admin stuff. Right, I think it's done. Let me try joining. Yep. There we go. Server info, and now it's back up here. I don't know why it does that. It goes like down here to up here. It's weird. It happens, I guess. Started. Yes. Boom. Alright, so if we push here, now we have our SAM. So how to add SAM to admins. We're gonna do SAM add users and to super admin. And now we've said this. If you run UX and you want to figure out how to set yourself to admin, I believe it's just UX set user super admin instead of add user. So yeah. So now if I go back up here, you could see that I could actually have access to all the admin things, for ranks, players, and all that. So one thing that goes with SAM, if you have SAM, is it comes with a couple modules, which is pretty nice. Gonna go over here, go to other, and then we have a custom SAM modules, which comes with a few things. So hide admin name, reserve slots. So basically reserve slots reserves a few slots for admins and all that, or specified people. Pretty nice. Auto promotes. Yeah. I like the vSpire support. That's really nice, especially for servers that have flamethrowers and all that. Really nice. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and set up our name for our actual server. So I'm gonna go Garry's mod into our config, and then we're going to go to server.cfg. If you already know this by watching my other videos, and yeah, this is our loading screen URL. So after you make a loading screen, you would just put the here. This is why you see this here. See, so right now our server name is server hosted by this. So we're just gonna rename this Physgun hosting tutorial. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a password. I'm just gonna call this, or give it 1234. Yeah, there's my password. Server limits, you could set the default limits for everything. I'm gonna leave these on since right now it's a darker P. Network setting, please keep these default. That's what it says. Yeah, I'm just not gonna mess with that. There's can no clip, blah blah blah. Or God mode. So 0 means false basically. If you set this to 1, then everybody spawns with God mode and everybody can no clip right here. So let's see our F4 menu is working. No, our F4 menu is not working. Okay, so I think I need to find our actual content for this. This thing, let's see. It's called Brick Wall Essentials. I believe it's just called Brick in here. So we're gonna go back here. Just go to Marketplace, browse. We're just gonna type in brick. Bricks. There we go. So let's see. Bricks Essentials. Let's see, installation. And then we have our content right here. I'm already subscribed to it, so I'm going to add this to our Physgun tutorial. Yeah. Then we have a couple other things. We're going to add this as well. I believe this has an inventory system if I'm not wrong. No, we have unboxing. See, darker P foundation, scripts. We're going to add the darker P foundation. Yeah. Let's see, do we need anything else? No. Alright, we're going to restart our server once again. And yes, I know there's a lot of restarts when it comes to actually developing a server, but that just goes with it. That's pretty much every type of server if you're working with a panel. So yeah. And we're back in. As you can see in the bottom left, my thing changed, and if I'm holding C, it's showing my inventory. So this is working, that's working. For F4, you could actually see everything right here. Shop, inventory. Right now our shop, we don't have any of this content right now. So yeah, we don't have anything in our inventory. We have our Discord, so we could change this. I'm going to show how to modify these types of add-ons later on. We have our players, so I believe the only reason I'm able to see this is because I'm a admin. I can set my levels, set currency, view inventory. Yeah, printers. Unlock each of these. We got boosters. Add boosters, add experience. I'm gonna go ahead and set my level, make sure everything's working. I'm gonna set my level to 100. Why not? Right? Citizen. We got our job over here, how much money we're making, our level. Now it says 0. So yeah, this is weird. I'm gonna have to work around with it, see everything. We have a crafting profile. See, donation rank is staff. Staff rank, super admin. Yeah. Experience, we have our experience up here. We have our Steam ID level and all that. One good thing about this is where I could edit people who are able to actually see the job ranks in here. So yeah, this is interesting. Let's see. We have resource store, unboxing, coin flip. We have our guys in here. Yeah. This is really nice. I really like this. And a good thing about it, like I said earlier, Physgun hosting, great people. They're allowing any type of people who have any type of their servers. Would it be their 3 basic, which is starter, growing community, and turbo. Any of those, cheapest option to most expensive, you're able to use all these add-ons for free. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this first episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like and comment. And if you want to be able to go ahead and go get one of these servers, and try it before you buy it, make sure to put my code in, which is Sentu2023, which support me and help me out. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down there, yeah. And I'll leave a link in the description about where to find this panel and all that. And have a good day. See you guys later. Bye.